How to verify your age on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can verify your age on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes TikTok could limit your account because it is underage and maybe you just want to change your account type or something else as such. In that case, what you want to do is first of all just go ahead and then basically launch the TikTok app. Once you launch the TikTok app, just come to the profile page from the bottom right, then just tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, then just go to settings and privacy. When you go to settings and privacy, if you have the option to change the date of birth by going to account or so on, such as in the account information, you can just go ahead and then change the date of birth to maybe let's say over 18 or at least 20 years of age. That will most likely help you solve your problem. But if you're not being able to change it, then scroll down all the way to the bottom, go to the section called report a problem, then just tap this little file icon from the top right to report your problem. Again, it will take you to this page. Make sure to actually go ahead and then simply make any of the details about it, and once you let them know that you want to submit a report by tapping the submit a report option, let them know that you want to change the date of birth and they should be able to get back to you. Hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve the problem. If it did help solve a problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.